Today I'm going to be teaching you people meaning of names in Igbo. Nkowa aha n'ala Igbo. Aha mmadụ ka esi akọwa aha mmadụ n'ala Igbo. Like John, Sit back, hold your popcorn, carry your paper and pen, and come to class today. Let's learn, okay? My YouTube channel, and he's no other person other than Pascaline Alex Ichuma, aka Original Bazaar Queen, aka Adibo. Mana brain mo abro ihe computer. Brain mo abro computer. So edeptechala mo ọtụtụ aha na Igbo. M ga-ewere nwayọ kọwalụ unu aha ndị a na-aza n'ala Igbo. Okay. Anwoleka. Anwoleka means my joy is great. My joy is great. Anwoleka. Chiagozie, God has blessed me. Binyelom, stay with me. Obinna, Father's hearts. Obinna, Father's hearts. Chibuzo, God's first. Chibuzo, God's first. Adego, daughter of wealth. Ada Ego, daughter of wealth. Eze Naya, father's king. Eze Naya, father's king. Adezi, daughter of a king. Ada Eze, daughter of a king. Echezonam, never forgets me. Echezonam, never forgets me. Ahunna, one with the body of her father. Ahunna, one with the body of her father. Chukwu Emeka, God has done so much. Chibundo, God is my shelter. Chibundo, God is my shelter. I love this name so much that I want by the time I start giving birth, I'm going to give it to my child. Chibundo, Azubike, strength gained. Daberechi, some people are boy Davi, Daverechi. Lean on God. When them lean on God, Daverechi. Chekwas, God will. Ije awele, a smooth journey. Ije awele, a smooth journey. I know that some of you guys say, Madonna Zijawele. Oh, nine ego color. Yes, somebody's name is Ijawele. Ijawele means a smooth journey. Wankwo. I know, ndị onye mu ga-ama ihe Wankwo mkpọrọ ji atọ pieces. Wankwo. Wankwo means a boy born on Nkwo Day. A boy born on Nkwo Day. That is the meaning of Wankwo. Okay? Uzoma means a good way. Uzoma means good way. Uzoma, good way. Amadi, free man. Amadi, free man. Kaira Luchukwu. Kai, let's leave it to God. Kaira Luchukwu. Let's leave it to God. Chijioke means God gives talents. Chijioke, God gives talent. Some told Chukwu, Praise God with me. Som Tochukwu. Praise God with me. The Mkpolunisi is Soramu Tochukwu. That's Som Tochukwu. Praise God with me. Zimozo. Zimozo. Show me the way. Zimozo. Show me the way. Some people na open here zim zim, but people na soccer. Zimozo means show me the way. Ijoma. Oh, baby girl. Ijoma. Ijoma means safe journey. That's my name. Ijoma. Ijoma means safe journey. Uchendu. Uchendu. Uchendu means the wheel of life. Uchendu, the wheel of life. Kadibia. God is greater than doctors. Chikadibia. God is greater than doctor. Nnamdi. Nnamdi. Father is alive. Nnamdi. Nnamdi. My God is alive, or my Father is alive. We have Yagazie. Yagazie. Yagazie means let it be well. Yagazie. I think I like Remahan so much. Yagazie. And I'm not going mad one day. Nanga go one Yagazie. No, when you cop Tazie, no, something mother chair where I short from her say Yaga. Yaga. Yagazie means let it be well with you. I am wearing Emenike. Emenike. Emenike means it's not by minds. Emenike means it's not by minds. We have Chimamanda. Chimu Amanda. Chim Amanda. Chimamanda is my God, you not fail me. Chim Amanda. My God, you'll not fail me. Some people will now shorten it to Amanda. I'm marking I have with Chimamanda when the balloon is not her pocket. Chimamanda. My God, you will not fail me. Okenna. Okenna. Okenna means God's own property. God's own property. Okenna. God's own property. We have Urenna. Urenna. Her father's pride. Urenna means her father's pride. Kenechukwu. Kenechukwu. Some people will call it Kelechukwu. Kelechukwu. Kenechukwu. Kenechukwu means thank God. Kenechukwu. Kenechukwu means thank God. Thank God. Thank God. Kenechukwu. Thank God. We have Rapoluchukwu Ifenine. Rapoluchukwu Ifenine. Leave everything to God. Some people will say Rapolo, Rapoluche. Some people now say it's rap, get it, rap. Oh, please, I love Rapolo, Rapoluchukwu, Rapolo Ifenine. Rapoluchukwu means leave it for God. We have Chukwu, Eberechukwu. Eberechukwu means mercy of God. Eberechukwu, mercy of God. We have Chimampa. 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 God knows my wants. God knows my wants. God knows my wants. That is the meaning of Chimampa. Chimampa, God know my wants. Chinenyenwa. Chinenyenwa. God gives children. God gives a child. Chinenyenwa. God gives a child. Chinenyenwa. God gives a child. Chinenyenwa. Some people say Chinenye. Chinenye. No, it's not Chinenye. It's Chinenye. Chinenyenwa. God gives child. We have Esomchi. 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 One who follows God. Some people say Esolumchi. Esolumchi. Esomchi. Esolumchi. One who follows God. we have Jayama. I know immediately I say Jayama, I start singing Jayama, Jayama, Jayama. Jayama is somebody's name. Jayama. Jayama means praise to the Lord. Jayama. Jayama. Praise to the Lord. Some people now say, my name is Jaya. Brother. Ogini. One name can even kill Jaya. Pronounce what you have. Oh, Jayama. Jayama. Jayama means praise to the Lord. Guys, I hope you enjoyed this section today. Oh my god, I enjoyed myself because obi na tom ụtọ na agba Igbo na tom pieces. Lenu aha dị kazim ụzọ Jayama ima ya gazie. Imagine now. When I'm cheap on one say Jayama, say yes mommy. Ka toli me see August school ndị na-abụrụ onye Igbo chọzie akpọ ya Jaya. Nwa mene na anya afọ ma abụrụkwa no Jaya. Kebe ka ị Jaya aga. Amalun gane tata na asị ka efe na-eme nke ikwe na isu ya na black ke nke na-eme apụ na ahụ nwanne m. Ịma na enwere na onye ọzọ na-abụrụ Adoma UBH_styles on Instagram. Ọ ya suru akwa isu. Unu aghọtago ụmụnne m na ụmụnna m. Anyị abịago na njedebe, and please do not forget to follow at UBH_styles on Instagram, at Pascaline Alex 24 on Instagram. And like, comment, share. Click on the button and subscribe. It's very simple. They know they collect money to just subscribe. Watch, like it, comment and share. Tell me what you want to see in my next video via my comment section below. Okay? Alright guys. Now because I need to iga if I no Lagos niile ka mmadụ niile malụ na eyi m akwa na tom tata. Onye ọbụla m hụrụ n'ụzọ masị ị na-ahụ m, ị na-ahụ m, ị na-ahụkwa m, ị na-ahụ m. Ụmụnne m ka anyị ba na ngwa na enjoy yourself.